Namaste students. I hope you all are safe. I'm Shweta, your maths teacher. Let me start today's class. In your previous class, we already started chapter 3, that is how many squares. Let me continue that only. Guess which has the bigger area, one of your footprint or the page of this book. Say, for example, in your maths textbook, either it is the page of that book is bigger or your footprint is bigger. When comparing the area, you have to compare the both. When comparing the area of footprint and the area of the pages of this book, the area of the pages of the book is bigger than footprint. Okay, which has the smaller area? Two 5 rupees note together or 100 rupees note. See, 2 5 rupees note is bigger or 100 rupees note is bigger. See, 2 5 rupees note is 2. Here 2 and 5 both the notes. But 100 rupees note is only one note. So here a 100 rupees note has the smaller area. Look at the 10 rupees note. Is its area more than 100 square centimeter? No, the area of 10 rupees note is not more than 100 square centimeter. Is the area of a blue shape more than the area of yellow shape? Why? See, your question is area of blue shape is more or area of the yellow shape is more? Which one is more? If you are telling anyone of compared to this, anyone is more, why it is more? So this is the question. How to answer? You can observe clearly here. Yellow shape figure also divided two triangles, and blue shape uh, figure also blue divided as two triangles. See, now answer is no, because from the given image we can say that the area of the blue shape is equal to the area of the yellow shape. Both are equal here because the yellow shape and blue shape figure both are divided into two triangles, right? Yellow shape figure also divided into two triangles, and blue shape figure also divided into two triangles of equal area. So hence you can say that blue and figure are both are equal area. Is the perimeter of yellow shape more than the perimeter of blue shape? Why? Here, no. The perimeter of yellow shape is less than the perimeter of blue shape because with the help of a ruler, by taking ruler, you can find the perimeter. What do you mean by perimeter? How to find means perimeter is a boundary of the length of the boundary of the given figure, right? So by using scale, you can measure the length of the boundary. Blue more than the length of the boundary of the yellow shape. If you find the area, boundary means perimeter means how big is my hand. This activity you can do it yourself. Trace your hand on the square sheet on the next page. How will you decide whose hand is bigger, your hand or your friend hand? You cannot do now. You can take your brother or sister hand is there in your home. You can find both the your hand and your brother or sister hand. You can put together and you trace the hand which you have given in the next page. The grids they are given, so there. What is the area of your hand? How to find the area? Inside number of how many squares are there, that you have to find. That is known as how many square boxes are there, so that much area it will be. So you can find like that, and you can write the area. What is the area of your friend hand? See, you can identify your brother or sister hand and your hand area. See, you have to find, you have to trace in this see here you have to trace the hand, and you have to find the area. See here how many boxes are there, 1 2 3 4, like that. You have to count the number of squares inside that and which you have traced. My footprint is longer, but my footprint is wider. So whose foot is bigger? See, here two friends are playing. She is telling first girl my footprint is longer, but second girl is telling my footprint is wider. So whose foot is bigger? Now my footprint. Whose footprint is larger, yours or your friends? How will you decide and discuss? Is the area of the both your footprint the same? No, it will be different. My baby rhino is telling my skin has many folds, so I have a big area. This way, the hair all over me keeps me cool. But elephant is telling what is the area of my footprint, and insect is telling what is the area of my footprint. Guess which animal footprint will have the same area as your discuss. See here, all the animal footprint is different. Here are some footprints of animals in actual size. Guess the area of their footprint. Here N footprint you can observe, and dog footprint also you can observe. See, both are different, right? Now you make big square and rectangle like this to find the area faster. So you have to trace big little bigger, and you have to find how many squares are there inside that. How many square in me? See, what is the area of this triangle? See, you know that what is the formula to find the area of a triangle? How to find the area of a triangle? See here. First you can see here how many squares in me. What is the area of this triangle? See, you can observe here rectangle is divided into two triangles, right? The triangle is here of the rectangle of area 2 square centimeters. See here the answer here the question they are given. So what is the area of the triangle? See here they are given rectangle area. They are given rectangle area is 2 square centimeter. What is the area of triangle? You know that rectangle is half of the rectangle is divided into two triangles, so one triangle is half in that rectangle. So here rectangle is 2 square centimeter. You have to make it area of the triangle. How much? It is 1 square centimeter, right? See each area, that is because rectangle is equally divided into two triangle. 1 centimeter plus 1 centimeter, it is 2 centimeter only. Is the shape of the bigger rectangle? See second figure you can observe. Is the shape is off of the rectangle? No. So its area is now you can observe, write the area in square centimeter. The unit is very most important. See area you have to unit is square centimeter, standard unit of the shape below. See here, first figure A is triangle. Area of triangle figure A equals, you know that what is the formula to find the area of triangle? So half into base into height. Base is here, this one you call it as base. See how many triangles are there, how many squares are there? 1 2 3. There are 3 squares are there, so base is 3. And height, this one you call it as height. How many squares are there here? 1 2 3 4. So 4 is the height is 4, base is 3. So half into 3 into 4. So 3 fours are 12. And see here 2 can divide 12, right? How many times 2 can divide 12? So it is 6 times. You can cancel here. See here, half into 12, you can cancel easily. 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12, right? So 6 is the answer. 6 square centimeter or 6 centimeter square. Like that only, area of square. See figure B is a square. What is a here? 4 complete. what is the square formula? Area of the square is, that is, you can see here figure B. You can see here in this picture there are uh, four complete squares. See, inside four complete squares are there and eight half squares. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, eight half squares and four quarter square. See, one, this corner, 1 2 3 4, there are four quarter square. Now, see, 4 complete squares means 4 you have to write plus half 8 square. So, half into 8 plus 4 quarter square. So, 4 quarter square means, quarter means 1 by 4. Half means 1 by 2. So, that is the reason 1 by 2 I have wrote. Half means 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into 8. Quarter means 1 by 4. 1 by 4 into 4. Now, you can cancel out, right? See here, 1 by 2 into 8 fraction it is. See, 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, right? Now 1 into 4, 1 into 4 is 4, and again see here 1 by 4 into 4. See, 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4, 1 into 1 is 1 only. Now see, 4 plus 4 plus 1, 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 centimeters square. Area of figure E. Figure E is having 18 complete square, you can observe there, and 6 half square. So 18 complete square means, so 18 you have to write, half means you have to mention it half, 1 by 2 into 6. See, half means 1 by 2 into how many half squares are there? There are 6 half squares are there. So 2 ones are 2, 3s are 6. 18 plus 3, that is 21 centimeters square. Area of figure F. For figure F is 4 complete square plus 4 more than half plus 4 quarter square. So more than half means what? It is, obviously it is 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 into, how many 3 by 4s are there? 4 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4 into 4. So now you can cancel out. See here, 3 by 4 into 4. Here 4 and 4. 4 ones are 4 ones are cancel. So what is remaining? 3 is remaining. 3 into 1 is 3. Like that only, 1 by 4 into 4 is 1. So 4 plus 3 is 4, 5, 6, 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 centimeters square. Next one you have to do it yourself. The blue triangle is half of the big rectangle. Area of big rectangle is 20 square centimeter. So the area of blue triangle is dash square centimeter. See, the blue triangle, you can observe here two triangles are there, blue and red. The blue triangle is half of the big rectangle. See here, blue triangle you can observe it is equally divided. So you can tell that blue triangle is half of a big, in this rectangle blue triangle is half, and area of a big rectangle is 20 square centimeter. See, big rectangle, its area is 20 square centimeter. Inside this there are 20 box, they are given area of the big rectangle is 20 square centimeter, and see, a rectangle is 20 square centimeter. From the question, area of big rectangle is 20 square centimeter. Area of blue triangle is half of the big rectangle. So 20 divide 2, that is 10 square centimeter. You have to find the blue triangle, right? From the, okay, height in it there are two halves in of the two different rectangle. Now find the area of the two rectangles. Sadiq is taking about what is the area of red triangle. Explain. Yes, you are right. And you know what You can draw many more triangles of area 10 square centimeter in this rectangle. Try drawing this. Help Sadiq in finding some more such as triangle. Draw at least five. Five more. Now now you find the area of two rectangle. Sadiq is talking about what is the area of the red triangle. Explain. From the figure we can say that the orange rectangle contains 12 squares. See orange rectangle, from that figure you can see that it is having 12 square centimeter. Area of orange rectangle is 12 square centimeter square, because it is having or 12 square, so it is 12 centimeter square. You have to count the number of squares inside that orange rectangle. And the green rectangle contains how many squares? There are 8 squares, and the area of the green rectangle is 8 centimeter square. Now the area of orange portion of triangle, see you know that by this figure you can see here what is the area of orange rectangle. If you count this you will get 20 squares. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. And here see area of the orange rectangle is 12 and area of the green rectangle is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8. So now here area is divided into, see here the rect triangle they are drawn. You need to find, see you already know that area of green rectangle is 8 centimeter square. Area of orange portion of a triangle, how much it is? 12, because it is half of the rectangle, so 12 by 2 to 6 centimeter. Area of yellow portion of a triangle is 8 by 2, it is 4 centimeter square. Therefore area of red triangle is, so both 6 plus 4, that is 10 centimeter square. Complete the shape. Suruchi draw two sides of shape. She asked Asif to complete the shape with two more sides so that its area is 10 square centimeter. He completed the shape like this. See this shape is area is 10 square centimeter. Is it correct? Discuss. Find the number of squares inside this and you can find the whether it is correct or not, you can get it. Explain how the green area is 4 square centimeter and yellow area is 6 square centimeter. You can see green area contains 2 complete squares plus 4 half squares. So 2 plus half square means 1 by 2 into 4. So it is 2 plus 2, it is 4 centimeter square. Yellow area contains 3 complete square plus 2 half more, 2 more than half square and plus 2 half filled. So 3 plus 2 plus 1 by 2 into 2. So 3 plus 2 plus 1, that is 6 centimeters square. Oh, I thought of doing it differently. If you draw like this, the area is still 10 square centimeter. Is Suruchi correct? How much is blue area? Explain. Can you think of some other ways of completing the shape? Try some other ways yourself. Now ask your friend at home to solve this. Every time guests come home, I ask them to do this. But why do they run away? Practice time. This is one of the side of the shape. Complete the shape so that its area is 4 square centimeter. See, you can complete. The completed shape contains 2 complete square plus 4 half square. This figure. So 2 plus half into 4, that is 2 plus 2, 4 centimeter square. Now again, two sides of shape are drawn here. Complete the shape by drawing 2 more sides so that its area is less than 2 centimeter. Area is less than 2. Homework. See this, you have to count the number of squares and you have to write the answer and you